Hello everyone, I'm here with a layout. Um, couldn't sleep. I'm on Thanksgiving break. And I was up at 11:30. I went to bed at 7:30, was up at 11:30. I haven't been feeling good all day, so yesterday. And so I went to bed at 7:30 and I feel tired, but I can't sleep. I'm getting a headache now. So I'm going to try to do some voiceovers and maybe try to go back to bed. I'm gonna chew on some saltine crackers, drink some ginger ale. Here, ginger. Speaking of ginger ale, here, eat that. Anyway, so my background is Pinkfish Studio, just a little lovely called Possibility. You don't want that. My photo mat is basil cardstock. Um, this flamingo layer is Dear Lizzie, It's All Good, Let's Flamingo. Oh, ginger, I swear. You want that? See, that's what I mean. You don't want it. You just want it to play with. This is goofball. And so now I'm gonna put down some die cuts. No ginger. Oh, pen. Jeepers. You alright? He went to jump up and didn't realize ginger was right there on the counter. Come on, you want to lay on my lap? Come. No? Okay. I'll eat it. Okay, so I'm using die cuts, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive product. I want to say it's Hello Summer. So I have all these summer die cuts. I need to use some pictures that are summer based. Oh man. Just trying to figure out where to place my tile, which I'm going to put on the right there by the picture. But needed to weigh all my options. And so this is where my title ends up. So I'm still playing with my title. but it ends up where I had it. Sorry. I need to get brakes for my car. Ugh. They're squealing. So once I get the die cuts down, I'm going to put my title, and then that is pretty much going to complete the layout. There isn't really anything more that I do to it. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.